What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you all how to save a ton of money on seed potatoes so you can grow potatoes in your backyard garden for a fraction of the cost. Seed potato stands are starting to arrive at our big box stores. I went to one of my local big box stores today and I was blown away by the prices of the seed potatoes. $4 for a package, and what was inside? 4 lousy potatoes. That is $1 a potato. With those types of prices, we're never going to get a return on our investment. And what happens if I want to buy a white potato, a red potato, and a purple potato? I have to spend $12 on 12 potatoes to get 12 potato plants. If I'm lucky enough and all of them actually sprout, by the time I spend money on fertilizer and irrigation, I may as well just buy my potatoes from the grocery store. But here is the scam with seed potatoes. All you have to do is attach the word garden or something garden related to it, and suddenly you can mark it up 400%. All a seed potato is a potato that is in the process of sprouting that you can then plant. So I went to my local grocery store and I purchased a bag of organic potatoes instead. I was able to get a 1.5 pound bag of potatoes for $3.49. And the best part, it came with white, red, and purple potatoes in it already. Then I placed the potatoes in a cool, dry, dark corner of my countertop to wait for them to sprout. And after 2 weeks on my countertop, the potatoes are already starting to sprout. You can see buds forming all over the individual potatoes. Once you start seeing these sprouts forming, they are ready for planting. Do you have to buy organic potatoes? Not necessarily, but some conventional potatoes are sprayed with a compound to prevent budding to maximize the amount of time they can store them. Organic potatoes are not sprayed, so you're going to have a much faster rate of budding and a much higher success ratio at making seed potatoes. So for that reason, I generally recommend you buy organic, but if you have conventional potatoes in your pantry that have already started to sprout, you can plant them. I've been doing that for years and it works just fine. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.